होणार असं धमाल। My first question is, सबसे पहले तो आप ये बताइए कि मुंबई इंडियंस की शान, कैप्टन ऑफ टीम इंडिया and now the face of the T20 Mumbai 2025. How does it feel? Pressure या थोड़े chilled out से?
नहीं, प्रेशर नहीं है। प्रेशर तो ग्राउंड पे होता है जब खेलते हैं। But no, thank you for this opportunity. I would like to thank MCA for getting me on board and making me. जे आज झालंय ते विसरून जावा आणि फोकस करा की नेक्स्ट डे मध्ये काय. कारण की तुमचा आजचा दिवस चांगला जाणार खराब जाणार आपल्याला माहित नाही, पण देर इज इवन खराब केलं तर देर इज ऑलवेज अ नेक्स्ट डे. यू म्हणजे तुम्ही फोकस करा की नेक्स्ट डे मला काय करायचं आहे. त्यामुळे जे आज झालंय ते विसरून जावा आणि नेक्स्ट डे साठी तयार राहा. यू हॅव टू फॉरगेट व्हॉट हॅज हॅपन्ड टुडे. इट मे साउंड very simple, but it means a lot. That you forget today and you focus on tomorrow. Only because you shouldn't lose faith in yourself. And there's always an opportunity that is waiting for you the next day. Whether you have a good day, bad day, what has happened, you can't change. So wait for the next day, make sure you conquer that day, and you can only do that if you are 100% ready. So I feel don't lose hope, don't lose faith, have belief in yourself, that you can change things around.
Sports truly teaches you every day is a new day.
It started with them also like that. That is when you realize that you have some kind of potential to try and take yourself to another level. And we should encourage, all these kids who are playing in their backyard. A lot of the parents don't like the kids playing there for a long time. Obviously, that happens in any household because the parents want the kids to come back, study, पढ़ाई करो. जब तक आप नीचे खेल के एक दो कांचे ना तोड़ो, तब तक आपका वो बचपना जो बोलते हैं ना, हम बैकयार्ड में हमने क्रिकेट खेला और एक दो कांच तोड़े, वो जब तक नहीं होगा ना तब तक कुछ नहीं होगा. तो आई थिंक when you're doing that, it is all about having fun, because you're not competing with anyone. You're just having fun. You're playing with your friends, trying to spend your time after a hectic day in the school, just trying to relax, play with your friends. That is what actually happens at that point. And then you don't realize that suddenly there's a potential, there's a talent within you. I was told by somebody that you literally are very talented and you play the game so well, you must try and go to an academy or something. And that's how it started for me. I went and spoke to my family about it, and then we managed to get to an academy, and then from there it started.
So sir, कांच तोड़ने से लेकर
भरपूर अप्स अँड डाऊन्स आलेत, पण माझ्या वडिलांनी मला सांगितलेलं जेव्हा मी लहान होतो की सेम थिंग दॅट आय जस्ट स्पोक अबाउट. There will be times and there will be days where you will get a lot of opportunity, but if you are not ready for it, then you will not know when that opportunity is gone. So you try and make yourself so ready and so prepared, well prepared, that when the opportunity arises, you are more than 100% ready to pounce on it.
What an inspiration you've been to all of us. And
अपने आप को उनके साथ देखते हो तो you are always feeling very nervous, and you don't know what to do and how to react. And I remember there were a few guys slightly older to me. They got me in. They made me comfortable. That's only because the kind of aura these guys had, the achievement that they have had for Mumbai cricket. It is only because of that. Because you could see it in their eyes that there is so much fire in their eyes, and so much passion to represent the state, the city. It was. See, I cannot talk about the other states because I've never played for any other state, but I can definitely talk about Mumbai only because of the culture that was created within Mumbai cricket. And the story will tell you. I mean, Mumbai has won 42 Ranji Trophy titles. I think the next best is somewhere around 7 or 8, if I'm not wrong. So you can see the difference. Huge. It's massive. 42 and 7 and 8. I think.
And why? And sir, can I please request you, अगर आप मराठी में जवाब दे सकते हैं इसका? I'm sure everybody's dying to hear that.
I think Mumbai cricketers are all disciplined cricketers. जैसे मैंने अभी बताया कि it is not everyone's cup of tea to come and represent Mumbai. फर्स्ट टाइम जेव्हा मी सिलेक्ट झालेलो मुंबईसाठी मला माहिती आहे की ड्रेसिंग रूममध्ये जेव्हा मी फर्स्ट टाइम ड्रेसिंग रूममध्ये मी एंटर केलं माझे पाय कापत होते कारण की हे there were a lot of cricketers like Amol Muzumdar, Wasim Jafar, Nilesh Kulkarni, Sairaj Bhautule, Ramesh Pawar and all these guys were sitting there. तो मैं देख रहा हूँ आसपास कि मैं कहाँ बैठूँ, जगह मिलेगा या नहीं मिलेगा. All these cricketers, we've grown up watching them. To search the stadium, watch some of these greats taking the field and playing there was another different experience for me. And then since then there has been so many memories playing at the stadium. I think in 2008 or 9 the stadium got revamped, and then we won the World Cup there, the finals. I was not part of it, but I watched it from home. It was a special feeling to watch that. And then since then there has been so many memorable games that has been played, and now to sit back and think that there is going to be a stand in my name, it's a unreal feeling. It is something that I never thought of, and I will be forever grateful for this big honor in my life. Like I said, when you start playing, you don't know how long you're going to play the game for, let alone all these milestones and achievements that you achieve while playing the game. But to get these kind of honor, having a stand named after you, it is another, it is something that I cannot imagine. But yeah, once I see my name there on the stand, it will be a very emotional moment for me. And like I said, from not having to enter the stadium and now to have a stand, it's those two moments. There is so much has happened between these two moments. So I'm forever grateful.
Sure, it's not only an emotional moment for you, sir. It's a very emotional moment for all the fans who followed your cricket.
This happens only because you are having so much fun. You are into the game, and you are having so much fun. Sometimes you forget what's around you. So as a kid, you are supposed to do that. You are allowed to do that. You are supposed to have fun. You are supposed to enjoy, because those times, those days are not coming back. Yeah, so you try and make the most of it.
Absolutely, sir. Professional level play, is there any difference between cricketers who come from Mumbai and those who don't?
Mumbai cricket has done so much for me, not just now, but for so many years. Because of what I am today, is definitely Mumbai cricket has played a huge role in that. So again, I would like to thank each one of them who's played a big part in my career personally. And yeah, look, and then whatever has happened with me, whatever I have achieved as a player, as a cricketer, a lot of credit goes to Mumbai cricket as well.
Thank you so much. Though the Palace, it was did this little Rohit Sharma, did he ever dream of something like this when you first started out?
No one dreams of things like this when they are just starting off playing cricket. I still remember those days when I used to